Now, let's talk about multiplication. A multiplication problem. A multiplication 3-digit problem. Let's say we have 7, 5, 3 times 4, 8, 0. Oh, we look at this and say, oh, we have this big problem, and you've got to figure it out quick, fast, in a hurry. Well, I showed you the lattice method before, and maybe if this is too hard where you have to do all the figuring, let's do it on the lattice method. The first step, we talked about the lattice method, and it was also called the Jalosia from India method. The lattice method. Jalosia from India. Well, we have 753 times 480. First you draw a rectangle. You draw a rectangle. Then the number at the top, 7, 5, 3. You draw the number at the top. And then on the side, you draw the number on the side, 4, 8, 0. 7, 5, 3, 4, 8, 0. 7, 5, 3, 4, 8, and 0. Now, each number needs a box. 7 needs its own box, 5 needs its own box, and 3 has its own box. 4 needs its own box, 8 needs its own box, and 0 needs its own box. Now, the next thing we do, once all of our numbers have their boxes, we're going to draw diagonals in each box. That's a diagonal in that box, diagonal in that box, a 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 diagonal in that box, and a diagonal in that box. Now, we're going to start with our 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 in that box and 12 in that box. 4 times 5 is 20. The 2 in this box and the 0 in that box. 4 times 7 is 28. A 2 in that box and an 8 in that box. We've done all the 4. Now let's go to the 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 5. 8 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 7 is 56. And 0 times 3 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 7 is 0. Okay, we've done our math, and now let's add diagonally. 0 plus 0 is 0. Little dot, so we'll stay in line. 4 plus 0 is 4. We're adding. 2 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. And we carry our 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. And 11 plus 5 is 16. We put the 6 here, carry it over here. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now we read the number this way. 361440. That is our answer. Let's check it. on the calculator. 753 times 480 is, we have 361440. We have the correct answer, 361440. I'd like to say very much thanks to my colleague, Mr. Terrell at Tibby, who shared this lattice method with me, Jalosia. And that's what we do. Pass on, when you learn, you pass on the knowledge to make it easier and better. If you find easier ways and better ways to do your mathematics, by all means, pass it on. Pass it on. And it has been a pleasure for me. My name is Miss Henson, doing Homework Hotline with you today. I want you to continue calling in Monday through Thursday, every Monday through Thursday from 4 to 5 p.m. That number is 1-310-898-6048. And if you have any mathematics or things that you'd like to share with me, please feel free to call Homework Hotline or send them or mail them into the Media Center here. Math tricks that we can pass on. It has been a pleasure being your Homework Hotline teacher today. Bye-bye.